Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best power and shine is probably one of the most effective cleaning solutions I've ever used. Today, we're diving deep into this product, exploring its capabilities, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. I'll be testing it on various surfaces, from kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, to give you a comprehensive review. Get ready to witness the cleaning power and find out if this is the right product for your home. Number 5. Stardrops the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This is the Pink Stuff, the miracle all-purpose cleaning paste. It's designed to tackle tough stains and grime. It delivers sparkling results on various surfaces. Perfect for kitchen and bathroom surfaces, tiles, glass, and stainless steel. This versatile paste is your go-to cleaner for almost any household mess. It's tough on dirt but gentle on surfaces. This cleaning paste removes stubborn stains without scratching or damaging, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. Simply apply a small amount to a damp cloth or sponge, rub gently, and rinse away. It's ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent after every use. The Pink Stuff leaves your home not only spotless but also smelling great with its delightful rhubarb fragrance. What we like? The Pink Stuff is a miracle worker for stubborn grime. It's perfect for tackling those hard-to-remove stains in your kitchen or bathroom. If you're looking for a cleaner that's both tough on dirt and gentle on surfaces, you should consider this one. What people say. CIF Power and Shine works great on my glass shower doors. It removed all the hard water stains and soap scum. The product is easy to use and leaves a streak-free shine. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Row and Ride Glute Trainer. This compact machine helps you improve your squat form. It supports a deeper range of motion while engaging your full body. It's a trusted solution for both cardio and strength training. Target key muscle groups with one powerful movement. This ergonomic machine works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders. It's perfect for effective, low-impact total body training at home. Pair this row and ride with the free Sunny Fit app. You'll get guided workouts, AI-powered plans, real-time tracking, and access to an exclusive fitness community led by world-class trainers. Customize your workout with multiple pin lock positions. You can choose deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a balanced routine tailored to your strength and goals. Challenge your strength with 3 built-in resistance bands. It offers up to 66 pounds of total resistance. This is perfect for scaling your workouts from beginner to advanced levels. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage. It's great for home gyms, apartments, or small spaces. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. The Row and Ride is engineered for strength and stability, supporting up to 330 pounds. It's built for long-term performance and reliability across all fitness levels. What we like? This machine offers a full-body workout in a compact design. It's great for targeting multiple muscle groups with a single movement. If you are looking for a space-saving solution that provides both cardio and strength training, you should consider this one. What people say. CIF Power and Shine works great on my glass shower doors. It removed all the soap scum and water spots. I have also used it on my stainless steel appliances and it works great. Number 3. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. This is the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. It's a cordless, battery-powered scrub brush designed to make cleaning easier. It comes with a multi-purpose head and is ready to tackle various cleaning tasks. The oscillating head scrubs at an impressive 60 times per second. This powerful action quickly removes grime and restores surfaces, saving you time and effort. Designed to scrub up to twice as fast as manual scrubbing, it reduces strain. This allows you to get your cleaning done quicker, giving you more time back in your day. With robust water resistance, this scrubber is reliable in any cleaning situation. You can confidently use it in the bathroom, kitchen, or even outdoors. It's perfect for tight spaces around the house. Use it on faucets, drains, sinks, tiles, and grout in the bathroom, and appliances, counters, and stovetops in the kitchen. This scrubber isn't just for indoors. It's great for cleaning patio grills, furniture, car trim, tires, and even your golf clubs and balls. It can also polish and deep clean sneakers, shoes, and boots. This helps keep your footwear looking like new and extends their lifespan. What we like. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is designed to scrub up to 2x faster than manual scrubbing. It's perfect for quickly removing grime and restoring surfaces. If you like a cleaning tool that makes your life easier and saves you time, you should consider this one. What people say. It works very well. The product is very good at cleaning. It is a great product. Number 2. CIF Lemon Cream Cleaner 500 ml. Introducing CIF Lemon Cream Cleaner. It's packed with natural cleaning particles. This product will give you shiny clean results. This cleaner removes 100% of tough dirt. It's tough on grime, but gentle on your surfaces. Enjoy the refreshing scent of lemon. It leaves your home smelling fresh and clean. The new texture is easy to rinse. It's just as effective as before, but even easier to use. Get sparkling clean surfaces with 100% shine. This product will make your home shine. What we like. CIF Lemon Cream Cleaner is packed with natural cleaning particles for shiny clean results. It removes tough dirt without damaging surfaces. If you are looking for a cleaner that leaves your home smelling fresh and clean, you should consider this one. What people say. CIF Power and Shine works great on my glass shower doors. It removed all the hard water stains. The product is easy to use. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff 3-Pack Cleaning Bundle. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution. This bundle includes the paste, spray, and cream cleaner. It's perfect for tackling all your cleaning needs. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. The paste and cream cleaner effortlessly remove grease and dirt. It's ideal for sinks, stovetops, and more. Need a quick clean? The multi-purpose spray is your answer. It easily cleans countertops and appliances. This makes daily cleaning a breeze. Don't worry about damage. While tough on dirt, these cleaners are gentle. You can use it on stainless steel, ceramic, and glass. Get a fresh and spotless home with this bundle. It's designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks. This ensures every area stays clean. What we like. This bundle provides a complete cleaning solution for your entire home. It includes paste, spray, and cream cleaner to tackle a variety of cleaning needs. If you have a lot of cleaning tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. CIF Power and Shine works great on my glass shower doors. It removed all the hard water stains and soap scum. The product is easy to use and leaves a streak-free shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.